This is your captain speaking. Flight crew, please prepare for landing. We'll be landing in 10 minutes.
Good morning guys, so today it is January 4th, so it is around 7:30 in the morning and we are now headed to the airport for New York City. I thought this would be so cute to travel in. I'm tired. It is hot. I think I am a little bit stressed because I don't like long airplane rides, but hopefully it will go well and I hope this will be a fun vlog as well for you guys to watch. And when that's been said, I better get going. I have a plane to catch and I will see you then. For about 1.5 hours ago. We had to go through customs and now we are waiting for the train to take us to Penn Station to get to our hotel, which is pretty close to Central Park, so I'm excited. It is so warm here. I thought it should be like winter time, but it's actually more like early spring or something. So yeah, I will talk to you when we get to the hotel. I really need to change. I've been in these clothes forever and I feel like, yeah, I'm not feeling great. So I need to put on some makeup and then I'm going straight to Starbucks. Hey guys, so now we have made it to the hotel. I just did my makeup a little bit and now we are ready to head out to the streets, and there's actually a Starbucks right across our hotel. I see you. Yeah. So there is where I'm going first, and then I'm not sure what we will do. Probably we will go over to Fifth Avenue or down to Times Square or Macy's or something like that. So it will be fun. I'm excited to go out. Hopefully there's not that cold because the sun has gone down. But yay!
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say
much. It's so cool.
Let's make a hit and run till we fall apart.
then we just got back to the hotel. As you can see, I had to buy this hat right here because it was so freezing cold outside. But anyway, I also got these pajamas. It is around 4 a.m. back home, so the time difference is huge and I feel tired in my eyes. They are burning. We ate way too much, or at least I did. I had a starter, main course, and also this huge dessert, which you probably saw. But anyway, we are just going to relax and hopefully we will be fully rested by tomorrow so we can do something fun. I'm thinking about going to Soho because there's a purse that I really want to look at. I think this will be it for today. I hope you are enjoying the vlog so far and I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning guys, so today it is January 5th. I've just gotten ready. It is 0 degrees Celsius outside, so it's pretty cold I guess. But now we are going downtown to visit the Ground Zero. And then we are going to go shopping in Soho, which I'm pretty excited about. So today I've decided to wear my Russian hat because it's cold. Then I also have this fur vest and this shirt from Ralph Lauren, which I really love. It's one of my favorites. I especially love the arms. It's around 10:30 now and it feels great. It wasn't hard to kind of change the time zone at all. Like we went to bed when it was around 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning back home. I'm awake and I'm happy and I am ready to go out.
We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow. And that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up. Instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night.
So I just went to the hotel to drop off some of the shopping bags. This is the most exciting one, you guys. So we have been shopping since 10 a.m. this morning almost, and it's now soon to be 7:30. And now we are going to CVS. I am going to see if they have some drugstore makeup there, and then we are going to eat at an Italian restaurant. Walking through the elevator. I'm also loving my new bag right here from Marc Jacobs as well. Yay! And these elevators are so slow, you guys.
It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night.
So it's now 11 a.m. We've just ate at an Italian restaurant. I am so tired, so we decided to take an early night, and you can probably see it in my eyes, but yesterday we were up like way past our bedtime for changing the time zones. So today I'm just tired and I'm not feeling that great. My anxiety is also a little bit there, but it's not like a very huge panic attack. I'm just feeling like nervous and sweaty and stressed for some reason. We bought these robes as well. I think these are so cute and so comfy, so hopefully I will sleep well tonight. And now I'm watching Real Housewife of Orange County. and I'm just going to relax in the bed until I fall asleep. Good morning, guys. So today it is January 6th and we are on our way out to visit Central Park, then also do some shopping.
And they say things will come and go, but I say I remember now. Memories send me afar.
We are now at Central Park, you guys. I love this place right here. I used to spend a lot of my time here. Snow.
I was only 5 when I lost a flying kite, and I cried all night. And they say things will come and go.
Hello, little guy.
Don't you hold on, but I say I remember now. Everything that comes to happen ain't a final matter in the long run. In the long run. Oh, memories send me away, taking me astray in a certain way. Memories. I was 21 when I fell in love with you, and I lost you too. Whoa. And they say things will come and go, and they say hold on, but I say I remember now.
Hey guys, so now we have just gone back to the hotel. It's around 11 p.m. We went to eat at Planet Hollywood today as well because that's my favorite restaurant. And today we just spent the day walking in Central Park. We went to the Upper East Side and just walked around on Lexington Avenue, 5th Avenue, and then we went back to Times Square to Forever 21. I have a huge bag here. Now I'm going to take a shower and just relax and watch some TV because it's so cold outside. It was like snowing yesterday, so it is pretty windy and cold. So in here I keep all my bags. So I have some CVS stuff, some Victoria's Secret, Alexander Wang, Topshop, Bloomingdale's, Hollister, Tiffany. So I will definitely do a clothing haul and also a makeup haul when I get home. I still haven't bought anything at Sephora yet because I wanted to save that. So far so good, and I think I will talk to you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today it is Saturday and we are ready to go outside. It is snowing. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it looks very windy and very cold. So I'm wearing this hat right here and also this huge turtleneck sweater because I don't want to be cold. The plan today is to go to Center 21 and then also to Sephora, and I'm not sure what else. So now we are on our way out in the streets. I'm not looking forward to it, but it is what it is. And I am first thing going to grab a Starbucks.
That comes to happen ain't a final matter in the long run. In the long run.
Bye, Linn. much snow and slippery in the streets, you guys.
And they say things will come and go. And they say,
Going to the nearest subway. It is a snowstorm.
but I say, I remember now. Everything that comes to happen ain't a final matter in the long run. In the long run.
We're still out in the cold. I just went to Sephora. Spent $400 almost. Yay. Typical me. So now we are on our way back to the hotel to leave the bags, and then we are headed for dinner, and later on we're going to a comedy show. So I'm pretty excited. And yeah, it's pretty cold, so I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys! So it's now 1:30 a.m. We just went to a comedy show and we are now on our way back to the hotel. We're walking from Grand Central through Times Square and then up to the hotel just to see all the lights, and that is pretty much what we are doing. Just had to look in some stores. So here you can see the New York Library. Yay! Never been inside. Probably I should, but I'm not a book kind of person. I got the biggest glass of wine ever, so it was a struggle to kind of drink it all. It has stopped snowing. It's also very cold. But I will talk to you guys when we get to the hotel or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. So yeah. Good morning guys. So today it is Sunday. We are now ready to go out in the town. I've just did my makeup, get dressed. I'm wearing this fur vest today because it's so cold, and I'm also wearing this Russian hat, as you've seen like probably almost every day in this video, because it keeps me warm and I really need it. So the room is a mess, as you can see. Here are all my shopping bags so far. I'm kind of invading the room, so soon there will be no space to walk around here. But yeah, I just wanted to pop by. I'm going to head down to Starbucks now to get my morning latte, and I will see you soon. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Good morning guys, so today it is Monday, and yesterday we went shopping after we went to the top of the rock. My camera died, or I had a very little battery, so I went back to the hotel to charge it, and I forgot it when we went to dinner. But we ate at Hara Cafe and went back to the hotel to relax. I was so incredibly tired yesterday. So today we are going to visit my school where I lived when I lived back here. And I'm excited. I haven't been there in 7 years. But yeah, we're now on our way to Grand Central to grab the train. And I will talk to you a little bit later.
So if I stay, would you be lying to me? Got away.
Made it to the train. Barely.
Get true. Our deception slips right through. What did I do? I must have been so careless. Progress too soon. But you got me so breathless. Can we work
work it out this time. Though you got money, money on your mind. So go and see the lights rise once more. I could be fooled by you tonight.
Hey, walking around in Terrytown. It is a bit sunny, so the weather is great, and now we are on our way to Walgreens. I'm gonna look at some makeup, and then we are probably headed for the train back to New York City. But yeah, it feels great to be back actually. It's kind of cozy. Waiting for the train to come to go back to Manhattan. It is so cold, you guys.
The station stop is Harlem 125th Street. Harlem 125th Street.
I'm someone else, although I look the same way. Teardrops that fell, but it's just another delay. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu.
So now we are back to the hotel. So we just ate dinner at Planet Hollywood again because I wanted to eat there one last time before we're leaving, because tomorrow we have a reservation at the View. And I also went to Sephora again. So now I am almost a VIP Rouge member on only 2 days, which is great. I'm so excited, you guys, to show you all the products. And now we've just been at Dunkin' Donuts, got half a dozen of donuts, so we're probably gonna watch TV, eat again.
Some more.
And yeah, that is probably everything. So we went to the school today, as you've probably seen. It was so cozy and fun to be back and look at the places where everything kind of started. And my boyfriend's showing off his new slippers. And my hair is a mess because I've been wearing this hat all day. That is pretty much our day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey love, so today it is a Tuesday. It's the last full day here. I'm so sad I don't want to go home. But I have just gotten ready, done my makeup. I really love this lipstick. This is from Colourpop and it is the shade Bumble. I've gotten so much compliments on it here. So now we are headed to Starbucks and then we are headed to Tiffany to pick up my ring, which I got to pick out. Look at me. We're going to the Empire State later tonight, and then we're also going out for dinner at the View, which is a restaurant which turns around, so you get to see a lot of buildings like Empire State and all those good landmarks as well. So I'm pretty excited. I haven't been there since forever, so that will be fun. We also need to pack today. I have way too much stuff, so I'm not sure. We had to get another suitcase because of my habit or addiction or whatever.
So deep
Oh, your eyes!
I'm afraid of heights.
Really? Oh, you got fat. Oh, my goodness. You got
The
look.
worst idea.
It's awesome.
Là, celle de sport est pas mal aussi.
It is. See? Look at that.
Je pense que ça,
They ain't going nowhere.
c'est monter des
Det är fint där.
We're going down also.
Oh, that girl has definitely been scared. That other girl that came out?
That we'll remember until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us talk about when we're all sitting together. I guess it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't afford.
So we've just finished dinner at the View, and you guys, it was a glass elevator. And you guys know that I'm so freaking scared of heights, so when we came down from the restaurant, I'm not sure how my face looked, but there was a lady saying like, "Are you okay? Should we be worried to get up?" And that was probably because I'm just looking at Sephora. That's why I'm kind of distracted. But yeah, it was an experience. I have been there before, but I don't remember the glass elevator. And now we are on the way to Empire State Building. It is around 10:30. So it would be nice to see the view when it's dark. Now I have another elevator situation going on, so I'm not that fond of the whole experience, but hopefully it will be great. I've had some glasses of wine to make me cope with the situation, so hopefully it will be better this time, and I will talk to you soon.
Somebody scared of the elevator.
My new bag though. Hotel. We're trying to pack. It is a total chaos right here. Good morning guys, so today it is Wednesday. We are about to check out of the hotel and head to the airport. Our plane is leaving in around 5 hours. So we are first having a 7-hour long trip to Copenhagen, and then we have a pit stop there for about 1 hour, and then we have the last 1.5 hour back home. So it's gonna be a long day. So we are going to land at Bergen Airport tomorrow actually. So it kind of feels weird that we have like one whole day of travel in front of us, and my plane anxiety is also very bad, so we'll see. But now I am heading down to Starbucks to just have one last Starbucks before we leave. So now we are all ready to head down to the lobby and see if our car is here. Oh, I don't want to leave you guys, and I especially don't want to take the plane home. I'd rather take a boat or something. We have a lot of bags to carry down, so I'm not sure if it all will fit in one elevator. But hopefully it will. This is literally me. I'm driving this one, and then I am pushing this one because I have a Starbucks in my hand. So it's gonna Take a while to the elevator all the way. Moment of truth, we're gonna weigh the suitcase. It is 25, that may be alright. 19! And the biggest one. 28. That's too heavy. 3 hours until our flight leaves. So not fun to wait. We made it way too early, so we just ate something at a Greek restaurant. And can you look at my glorious spot right here? It's only getting bigger by watching it.
Find out who we are. When there are no more tears to cry, then it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. You used to talk to me about everything. Lean on my shoulder every day. And you meant more to me, more than anything. Oh no. But we grow older in different ways. Oh yeah. A lonely night, a new beginning. We can't take back the love we've given. It's been taking us so long to find out who we are.
Yay, we're in Denmark and they still got their Christmas cup. So I guess this is my first Christmas cup of 2017, you guys. Waiting to board.
You and me been through a lot. Years go by, people change. Now's enough.
The smallest plane ever, which really helps with my anxiety. Thank God for Starbucks. I guess I will talk to you when we land in Bergen.
A lonely night, a new beginning. We can't take back the love we've given. It's been taking us so long to find out who we are. When there are no more tears to cry, then it's time to say goodbye, goodbye. Then it's time to say, oh, goodbye.
I'm so incredible tired, you guys. I think it is around like, I'm not sure, 3, 4, 5 a.m. in New York. Now we're waiting to be picked up and then it is home.